What Juicy say? He be like, shut the fuck up!
Play me some Pippin, man.
We got a thing going on.
Okay, so boom. Boom. Okay, so a few ago I made my car tour video. And I was like, okay, I'm gonna go ahead and put this up. It took me a long time, and it still has taken me a long time. But I was crusty and dusty in it because my hair was all in twists. I was getting it twist up so I can take it out and be curly and shit. So I was dusty, and I don't really like it. So this is me being a perfectionist. I don't really like it and how I looked in the beginning of it and how I kind of did just like the interior of the car. I like how I did the nighttime thing, but interior. So what we're going to do is I'm going to redo this again. Just so I can, be okay with it. I've already edited the video, but I'm going to just crop that part out and put this part in. So you can see me looking good now, but like after this, I will go back to being crusty, which was like a few weeks ago. I'm going to go back to being crusty again. I'm going to go back to looking like I was looking with the twist, and it was like growing out, and I needed to retwist them. So you can see, you're going to see me now like this, but like when I come back at the end, crusty. Okay? I'm just letting you know that now. So when you get to the end, you don't be surprised. There's no, because I told you already. So we're going to get to the car. My car is on just because it's hot right now, but this is the front, and yeah, you just have like the Ford emblem right in the front and the cool little lights down here. But the front's pretty cool. You can see my little thingamajigger, the little colorful thing. So yeah, it's just the front, and then it's a 4-door. So over here, all the doors, and then on the back, you can see it says Ford here, and then SE Flex Fuel. I don't know what Flex Fuel means, but yeah, and then my just tag that I have now into the 30th. So yeah, this is the back of the car. It's pretty cute. Pretty cute. I really love it. So this is just an overview of the car. So these are my keys. I just have this little key thing. The thing doesn't really, I need to get a new one because the battery has died in it. So I need to get a new one, and I want the Ford to actually be up there. Anyway, so then I have this Ford thing that tells me it's 2014 Ford Focus SE red. And then I have this little C that I got when I went to it was a dance where I got my dance outfit from. I saw this and I got it. And then I got the purple thing right there. Then I have my house key up there. And then this, hold on, this is actually a bunny. You can not really see the eyes. Let's see. Move. You can sign it. Wait, you see the eye? You see it? I know you see it because I see it. You see it? Okay. And then, bunny, and then there's the ears, and then little 4 feet, So that's the bunny. My hands are ashy, so don't start my car. So then up here, it's just my seatbelt's not on, but you can shut up because I'm not putting it on. So that's just, the RPM and stuff like that. And then we have down here You can see, you know, how much gas you got in there. We always on a full tank, baby. And then this just a cold and hot thing for, I guess that's for your engine, I'm not really sure. And then here we have the trip, so it just tells me like, you know, overall how long the car's been driven, and then how much gas you're getting per gallon. And then there it's going to tell you how many miles you've driven, or I've driven for 24. I just redid it when I filled my tank up, and then I have 389 miles until empty. And then here, if you go down on this right here, it just tells you like each of them individually, like that. And then over here is just your miles per hour, and it's lit up blue and stuff, and that's just like how the whole interior does. It just lights up blue. And then over here on the door, like I said, it lights up blue here. These are the window things, and this is for the outside window. The little window never moves, it's just this part that does. And then down here is just to lock and unlock the door. And then down here and this little thing is just my old glasses. And then this is just something my sister got from wherever. And then like on the side, you can pull the seat back. Little toes, so cute. Don't mind that paper because it's gotten dirty since the last time. But yeah, brake, and you can see the light from the night thing that I was telling you about, because it is 8:10. And then you know, gas over here. Then I'm gonna slide back up here. So now we're on the little wheel, so you can see my wheel cover here. It's just a tie-dye wheel cover. And then here, like I said, it kind of goes for this thing right here, and you can go over here and just look at all your stuff, and it just, you know, it tells you stuff. And then here is just like turning the volume up and then down, which you can see right there. And then this is to answer a call, end the call, you know, stuff like that. And then here, just a horn, boop. And then the Ford emblem. It's kind of, don't mind, it's dirty. Okay. Yeah, so then here you have the emergency brake, and then we have the apprentice, which is park, reverse, neutral, drive, and sport or stick, whatever you want to call it. So now I just have these little bands here, just you know, good stuff, yeah. You know, we're trying to make the car cute. So then this, yeah, whatever. Then they have like the plus and minus thing for the sport. And then up here, it's just, I have my phone synced to the car. So if I were to press this button, which will kind of navigate these things down here, this will be Bluetooth. I pressed Bluetooth and it kind of cut the whole thing off because it Bluetooth to my phone and started playing music. Anyway, so if I were to click this, it would go to Bluetooth. When I would click this, it would go to USB. So my phone took up, you can see the charge right here in I need to put my phone on the charger. So if you would click here, this would be the radio. And then Sirius XM, I don't have that anymore. And then the media is for the phone. And then here is for like, you know, controlling my phone and stuff. And then here you're just going through all the settings. You will use this to go through, click OK and all of that. So if you were using Sirius XM, the numbers would be for that. For what I've seen, you would just click, you would click one of these buttons and you click the number and then OK, and then it'll go to it. Or you can click these two to kind of move within the stations. Here's how you lock the door. Here's the little blinkers. And then down here is the air conditioning. And she works very well. This is, you know, all the stuff for air conditioning, all that. Down here, I have my charger in. I have a pin here, some change in there. And then some trash, a couple of pennies. And then this Mac Daddy's card that we got. And then over here, just have this Victoria's Secret's bag that I just got some underwear that were 8 for $30. And then I have my Tommy Hilfiger bag right there. And this is just how it looks over here. It's kind of the same thing, kind of, you know. And then up here, I just have the thing that I put my phone on when I do my videos. And here I just have the little tree. This is in the scent Black Ice. And I have this little Yankees candles in the scent clean. It's in the scent clean cotton. And then up here, you can just see my... Yeah, okay. And then up here, like this is what I was showing you about the night thing. You're gonna see that later on. In here, I just have this is part of my case. That's the other part. Then I have just some papers from my job. And then here I have a empty case of bubble gum, which I can throw that away. And then here I have some of these CBD gummies. I already ate those. Then I have a few tampons. And then I have the wet ones in here. Some wet ones. And then I have this thing which I used to keep my tongue ring balls in. And then I have a pad. I have another Mac Daddy's card, and then a Chick-fil-A card. I have a cherry airhead. And then I have this thing which was to hold my phone for my tripod thing that's on the floor. And then this is the rest of my car scents and stuff. Then I have some more tampons, and then here is my Fenty Beauty in the color Diamond Milk. This is a gloss bomb. And then I have some more Mac Daddy cards. We just went there, so that's why I have so many. I'm just stick all this back in there. And then right here is the USB. You can use that to charge your phone. And then here is the line in or the aux for the phone. Okay, so my part here is done. I did all the front part, and now you're gonna go back to me being crusty, and I'm gonna show you the back part and the boot. And then I'm gonna just chit chat, and I'm vibrating. Like I was saying, my part here is over. Now we're about to go back to me being dusty, crusty. I'm gonna show you the back, and I'm gonna show you the boot, and then we're gonna be done. We're gonna chit chat a little bit, and then I'll see you guys in my next video. But keep watching though, keep watching, 'cause I'm not finished. So in the back, here is what it looks like. So on the side, you always have these two compartments. One, you can just put anything in here. I have a hair tie on the other side, and then this one right here, and then it has like the regular like little side pockets, and then you have the pockets back here, and then in the middle you have a pull down thing which has a cup holder and some space for you to put some more stuff. And then down here you have a 12-volt charger. In the boot, you can put your hand right into the forward and press the button, and it'll lift it up. So back here I just have my Steve Madden purse to just keep, and I keep like some extra clothes. So I have a shirt in here and some trash from what is this from? When I got my car charger, and some more trash. And then there's my work uniform where I used to work at, and the top back here, and then all the way back here is my diploma. Right here you can just pull this back, and here's the sunroof, and if you use this button, it'll open it up from the, well, that's from the back, and then it'll just open it up all the way, and then you just close it up by pressing it back. So the ambient lighting really comes in this part, down in the cup holder, and down over there under your feet on both sides, and in the door handles too. I'll show you. You guys, it's so freaking hot. I'm sweating my buns off. So this is my car. It's nothing really like fancy or whatever. It has like some cool features or whatever, but it's probably like, it's not the fanciest, but it's not the worst. I love my car. But here's the horn. Oh shoot, somebody probably gonna come outside and be like, what the fuck are you doing? I'm happy to do some car vlogs with y'all. Like, comment, and subscribe, and comment some more videos that you'd like me to do. It doesn't have to be like necessarily car videos. It can be anything. Okay, so first I just kind of wanted to give you a like overview of what it looks like at night. So this is kind of what the front looks like. The dashboard, it's all lit up. It's light blue. Everything's light blue, and like here you can see where the headlights are at. Right here you can see where your lights are on, and then if you turn on the bright switch, all you do is pull this little lever on the side, you pull it back and it'll change, and it'll tell you have your brights on. So that's like regular lights, and then it'll change to the bright lights. And I just thought that was cool. And then over here it's all light up light blue, and then you see the red, right? So on the doors it's light blue, and then on the little handle thing it's red, and then on the handle on the other side it's red, on the floor over here it's red, and under right here the driver's seat, let me slide back a little bit, it's also red too. I just don't mind my feet. Anyways, so the light up here that I was showing you guys, oh, also down here in the cup holder it's a light right behind here. Light that I was telling you about, it changes the color from here. So it kind of changes all the colors, the cup holders, the door handles, and the floor changes everywhere on all sides. And that's kind of what I really love about the car. But I like to keep it on real overview of the whole car at night.